Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm at the Mirra in Frisco, Texas. This is the Mirra in Frisco, Texas. And this is a best tour ever of the Mirra. This is a new, very nice, recently built, beautiful high-rise, and I think you're gonna love it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna walk through the Mirra. I'm gonna look at the amenities. I'm gonna capture all the main ones on separate videos, and then we're gonna see one, if not two, of their best models. We're gonna walk in also outside and just kind of take a look at the area. It's all gonna be on this playlist, and you're gonna see about 12 videos. So just sit back. Don't visit in person, just watch this video. It's better than going in person. It's more detailed on purpose. This is not a little TikTok video that's 30 seconds where you're not really getting a real feel of the area. This is a very substantial, good high quality video that's gonna give you a real feel of what it's like here to live at the Mirra. If you have any questions at any time, send me a text, just use the number below, and I encourage you to use our free service to find your perfect place here in Frisco, Texas, or Dallas, Texas. And so now let's go start talking about the Mirra and the area this is in. So listen up, it's great information, you're gonna love it.